Hello project partners. I promised you a video on how to write time in the timesheets, and this is it. I created this video so you can click along and see how you're going to write time for this project. So first you fill in the partner organization you work for. Then we already filled in the start date, end date and project number. Then you go to your name, fill in your name of your employee or of your employee, and then the last name, and then they ask for a category of staff. This is a drop-down menu, and you always choose teacher, trainer, researcher, youth worker. The country category we will give you in the partner agreement or separate by email if you find that handy. And then the working hours per day is always 8. Then you go in with writing the time. You do this per day. So, for example, you work today, the 5th of April, 7 hours on project result 1, and you worked, for example, 1 hour on project result 2. You fill it in like this. And the tasks you specify. It's really important that you specify your tasks properly, because Erasmus Plus will check these timesheets and they will deduct the time that they do not find suitable for the project. This means you can write time for working on tasks of the work packages, but you can never write time for project management, or you can never write time for travel or the TPMs that you spend time on. For example, when we have a meeting in the Netherlands and you spend 3 days there, even though you're working on the project, you cannot write time for it. The outputs, that's also a drop-down menu. And you see you can write lots of time for a lot of outputs. But in this project, we only have 3 outputs you can write time on. This is output 1, 2, or 3. And output 1 is the project result number 1. It's the platform. Output 2 is project result number 2. It's a training guide and dissemination. When you fill in what you have done, the sheet will calculate automatically how many days you have spent. And when you filled in the country category you are in, it will automatically calculate the grant. When you are done, you write the name of your employee, or they can do it themselves. They sign for it and date it. And then you're done. If you have any questions, just ask me, call me, or send me an email, and I'll help you further.